Hello, I'm Dr. Hawke from the Mediterranean Institute for Environmental Studies at the Science and Research Centre in Koper, Slovenia. I'm bringing to you a story about the Aqua App. This little project is in conjunction with Dr. Spannring, who's your lecturer for today over there in Innsbruck, and we're working together on this Aqua App. So as I speak to you today, the pictures from the PowerPoint will just roll through with some cues for you, as well as some nice images of water. So what is an Aqua App and why are we doing it? The reason we're doing it is because this unit is called Education for Sustainable Development, and we need to reinvent the ways we're doing sustainability. We've had some good ideas in the past, but we need to evolve a little bit more widely. So what the purpose of the Aqua App is to get you involved as citizen scientists to go and explore your local water source or a particular body of water that you love and start a conversation with it. Now, I know that sounds very artistic and abstract, but this is us trying to suggest different ways for people to engage with water or to be with water. So we think of water as a fixed thing that will always fall out of the tap in the kitchen and in the bathroom. It's not the case for the majority world, though. We're very lucky here in Europe to have lots of water. I come from Australia, and apart from the coast, most of Australia is very short on water. So my interest in water has been lifelong, and I want to share with you some of the things that I've discovered about how we could treat it better. And Dr. Spannring and I would like to hear from you about your ideas about how to do things better. So the Aqua App is basically a platform where you can upload your experience with your water source or your water course. You can upload sound bites, pictures or short videos onto the platform, and you'll be writing an essay for us later on in the program. One of the ways that we're approaching this water literacy, actually is what we're calling it, is to reimagine how we engage with water and how we study it and how we write that up epistemologically. So the methodology we're using, apart from citizen science, that's you guys, thank you for being willing participants, is water literacy. So water literacy, as you'll see on the slides and from Rana's lecture, is just about how we read the water. Rather than going to the water and expecting something from it, we're just inviting you to go and be with it. Go and sit by the water for 5, 10, 15 minutes, maybe an hour if you get completely consumed by the waterscape, and just notice how you're feeling and what you're noticing about the water. You might notice that it's rushing over rocks or that there's pollution. All those sorts of experiences that you're having are the kind of information we want to get from you. Because if we have more information about how people actually engage with water, perhaps we can inform policy reform down the track into widening how we consider water and how it survives us in this life. Because, of course, without water, we're all dead. It's like the respiratory system of the planet, or the venous system of the planet. It runs through rivers, streams, lakes, like the arteries and veins in our own bodies. We drink it, we secrete it. There's an endless hydrological cycle happening on the planet, not just the one we see, but the ones we don't see. And the hydrological cycle is interconnected with every other ecosystem on Earth. So we are part of a very magical system, and the part of that system that we'd like to enchant you with today is water. So by using this idea, this new idea of water literacy, and by engaging you as citizen scientists, we hope we can grow some new research here, and also, most importantly, some new sustainability practices. So I will finish my little spiel there, and I'll end with this small poem. It's just called Prelude to the World. This is how it goes. Listen to water narrate the world, murmur to itself, and unpredictable polymorphous text.